Well, hey guys, got a package today in the mail. The wife said the mail person came up to the door, and it says it's from a YouTube viewer. It looks like it's pretty heavy. Looks like it cost $32.26 to send that. Well, I never gotten anything from a viewer before. I'm excited. I don't know what it is. I don't remember talking to anybody. Maybe I should block out my address. All I can say is it made it in one piece, I guess. It is pretty heavy. Oh, there's a toolbox in here. Looks like a note here too. Jackson Hardcastle. He says, "Hi Bob, my dad worked on bikes years ago. Let's see. Love your fat tire bike videos. I am gifting you his tools. Jackson Hardcastle." Well, thanks, Jackson. Well, I see some chain. That'll come in handy. Looks like we got a bunch of reflectors and pedals, a couple of Allen wrenches, got some more chain and a sprocket, and a cable. Oh, look at that. New packages of cables. He must have had a store that worked on bikes. His dad. That's cool. Oh my. I can't believe it. Look at all these. These are, I think, presses for bearings or ways to put bearings in. That is cool. Oh, hey, these are the tools I needed to take one of these sprockets apart. Oh, look at there, that's the one that fits. That's cool. I don't have to grind the back off to get my gears anymore. I think that's a tool for taking off the pedal arm, if you have that type. There's another little... These are for twisting off pieces on some of them fancy bikes, I guess. Yeah, I guess his dad had that a while. I have to figure out what the heck that's used for. It looks like it tightens up. Yeah, that tightens up the crank if you have the other style forks. Looks like there's a bunch of these. There's more. Oh, these are the reversible taps for the pedals. So if you were to strip out and there's a fine tooth and a coarse tooth. So if you were to strip out putting the left one in, by putting the right one in, you can straighten it back up with the left-handed one. I think that's another arm, yeah, that's another arm remover. So there's two different ones of those. Oh, that's the tool I needed. You use these two tools to, let's see, how's that work? Yeah, like this. To pop that. So you put that in the vise and you can pop the gear. Yes, sir. There's one of them. I guess there's a couple of them. Those are for setting the brakes on a caliper brake. Oh yeah, gonna need one. Yeah, that's been around a while. And these are, not that one, but maybe this one will grab the little ringlets there. Oh yeah, I got lots of these tools. Little flat things. You need the little flats to get in to adjust those double nuts. Heck yeah. Another one of those Siamese spanner wrench tools things. I have to look up what the heck that's called. Oh, there's even another chain tool. Cool. I got one of them, but you can always have two. It looks like another one of those for taking the pedal arms off. That's cool. Thank you, Jackson Hardcastle. That was very cool of you. Two thumbs up, bud. I can use all this stuff.